Hello, this is United Storage Assembly. This is our 1x6 storage assembly. Each assembly comes with 2 thin end caps. The entire assembly is made out of 6061 T6 aluminum, which is extremely resistant to corrosion. Our 1x6 assembly comes with 7 60-degree storage cups, all center marked, as well as your spacer. When fully assembled, and placed under compression, it allows our tube inside of a tube design. So when placed back inside this tube, it is more for just alignment purposes. You will also notice there will be a small gap left in between the face of your tube and the face of your end cap of about 1/64 of an inch. That's to ensure, if you decide to have your storage assembly Cerakoted, that your internals remain under compression and do not rattle. Here in the cutaway version, you'll notice, and you can see how each storage cup is stacked on top of each other, which is just another illustration of our tube inside of our tube design. Here you'll see your second storage chamber, your primary storage chamber, as well as your storage chambers between each of your storage cups, all 7. We also offer thick end caps. We offer many modifications for these. If you can't seem to find what you're looking for, you can request a modification according to your needs. These are made out of 70-75 grade aluminum. Has many of the same characteristics as steel. You can find us at UnitedStorageAssembly.com, and feel free to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you.